Hi all, welcome to my channel again. And today we are going to see on or provide an overview of the notes related to SAP SD module. What are the notes and what type of notes our institutes is sharing? I will be showing you a sample of those. Okay, so that you can just go through this and see if it looks fine to you. Uh, our trainers and people have worked a lot preparing all those notes from the best sites as well as books, combining all those into a proper so that it can be in one place, and it will help you to run most of the things on your own. Okay. uh, like we have introduction to sales, full OTC cycle, determination rules, enterprise. These are the samples which we have been provided with to show you all. When we see uh, enterprises full OTC handout. Okay, so full OTC handout, we have given you each and everything that you need to uh, do a OTC scenario, run a OTC scenario in the SAP system. So this is a kind of exercise that we do to give to the candidates. Okay, and they have all those things defined here. Where have they have to go, and once they get their hands on, they all used they get a good understanding and remember all those things in the system point of view. So the menu bar is written here. The T codes are given. The screens has been given with proper things, like if you have to enter a sold to party, but if you don't know the sold to party, then you have to click on this text box. So this notes is basically for both fresher as well as experienced. Okay, if the experienced people is knowing all those things, it will they can skip and go forward. But for the beginners who don't know anything about SAP module, this will notes will focus on those candidates as well, so that if they don't know the sold to party number, how I can find the sold to party number and put it over here, they can click over this icon, the search icon. Then you can see several options, and you can use the search capability to find your customers. Like they have done this for the sales group or the sales organization. So they have put 1000 as a sales organization, which they know the distribution channel and division, and then asking the system to provide the details of customers which is extended to this particular sales area. Okay, and the SAP system will provide you the list of the customers, and then you can identify which is the one you are going to select. And once you double click that, the automatically the sold to party number, you can see it is getting appear. Similarly, the PO number field, it should be up to 35 characters. Okay, so these are the, because PO number generally we put as tests and dummy numbers, right? But actually it is a PO number of the customers. If you work in a real-time project, there is a challenge that it is only up to 35 characters, but sometimes they are using or extending the PO numbers above 35. So how to handle that and all those things, so we are going to tell. So not the notes is one of the best thing that we share. It is going to give a proper system uh, uh, system background and the system overview, how you are going to, you can run it by its own, and it's very good notes. The second thing which is, we are as a trainer focusing on business understanding. Okay, which is important. Like I said, we can set up each and every field. We can by referring to the notes and the documentation, you can easily, by referring to the books, okay, you can easily run a scenario, but you will never understand the business process, how the business process is working. Okay, and many a times you will get a question in the interview who is going to evaluate you whether you are having a hands-on. Hands-on is not just running the things in the system and setting up all those things. But the main thing is business process understanding or not. So they are going to evaluate you in onto that part. They are not going to just simply ask you, oh, what is the how the shipping point is determined or how the storage location is determined, but they will definitely going to twist those questions for you, so that they will able to understand whether you have really worked for any business or project or not, you have an understanding of business or not. Okay, so they can ask you whether the storage location is determined and what I can do uh, to populate the storage location in my sales order. Okay, why business is using the storage location in the sales order when SAP has given the provision to a storage location getting determined at delivery level. These type of questions will be there. Number ranges questions will be there. Like I said, say storage location determination they will ask you, but they will going to twist those question why storage condition is the important factor for determining the storage condition, storage location. Why not shipping condition? Okay, so once you understand the terms, okay, well, these terms have a relevant business meaning. Okay, if you understand those business and process the business meaning of these terms, you will not have to remember those determinations, those configurations, those enterprise structures and all. You can easily identify, and when you understand why my company code is required, why my sales organization is required, why my shipping condition is required, what is the use of shipping condition, what if the shipping condition is not there, can I create a sales order or not? These type of questions can come, right? So once you have the business process, the main focus on this, and what how we are going to do that, we are going to do that using a business case model. So in business case model, we are going to create a dummy company, and creating all those things that as per the real time environment or real time projects scenarios, we are going to cover each and everything from scratch. Okay, okay, and that will make you mm, that will ease you to understand all those significance of all those entities in a business, okay, for a company. And it may, once you all have all of the understanding, you may have automation ideas as well, which companies are looking. And this will only you will be able to know when you really understand the business model, business process. Okay, just going with a bookish knowledge and the trainers with the other trainers who are just going to show you the things in SAP and ask you to practice and remember this, it will not work in the real time scenarios. Neither their certification is not working anymore. That is why when we are hiring, or when the companies are hiring, they don't care much about the certification anymore. Earlier times, in the past 10 to 15 years, the certification was important, but now they know all the dumps are available and how the guys are doing the certification. The main thing they are checking is they have the real time experience or not. Getting my point? So the notes you we have prepared just to have all those things in one place. We are going to simulate all those things when we are doing and understanding the business model in our system, and then you can practice on it your own. So it's not only just covering the order or quotation. Okay, it is covering the deliveries as well, how you are going to create a delivery, how you are going to add in a stock. Okay, full OTC handout. Okay. It will going to create, it will show you all those things, create a customers and all those things, how you are going to create a customer, how you are going to create a material master, how to post, how to do the transfer orders. Okay, and the FI part as well, some basic things that we need to know. Okay, let me show you how you are going to put in a stock. Okay, how you are going to add in a stock. Here it is. Okay, so what you have to put it over here. Okay, what is the transaction code, and what is the menu path? All we are going to provide it here. So it is in the material management, inventory management, but we need to put you need to know how to put the stocks and see the overview and all those, because you will not be able to, you will have to depend on the team always, even if you are going to do a test run, okay, in your test environment. So that is we are going to focus. We have enterprise structure. Like I said, we are not just telling you uh, in the notes all the entities has been defined, and important points has been mentioned for you to refer in future. But we are going to, in our training program, we are going to focus in each of these entities in detail, meaning the business use, so that you can understand, you don't have to remember the things. And of course, setting up enterprise structure is also there. You can see how we have given all those things. Okay, so in distribution channel, then what is the precondition, what is the menu path, the transaction code, okay, the procedure, and how the screen will look like. So you can refer all those things, and you can do this and practice this on your own. But the thing is, we as an institute will prefer that if you have the business knowledge, why distribution channel is needed, what is the purpose of it, can what is the challenge if we have thousands of distribution channel for a company, okay, what are the how to how we are going to ease the business if the distribution channel is a lot, okay, is more than 100, this division is more than 100, there is a concept of common division, what is that, okay. All those things will going to be evaluate during the interview, and to see whether you have really just memorized the things, or you have a hands-on experience, okay. So determination rule we have already simulated, and at one place, introduction to sales, we start with this history of the background, all those things, the system architecture, okay, and how the SAP login process work, okay. And this we are going to see, this is a part of the SAP basis, but we just know as need to know as a general how the things happen in the background when you are going to uh, connect or when you are doing to put any command in the SAP screen, okay, in the command field. If you are putting any transaction code, any table name, how it is going to evaluate what are the things that is happening inside the system. So like this, we have covered each and every scenario. It is again the enterprise setup for full setup for SD, and that is here we have a demo, another demo with an example, okay. And here, like, if we are not just going to tell you about just go and create a company code or create a sales organization, but what rebate is there, this field, okay, other fields, how the significance of those fields will be there in the system, okay, when we are going to define. So one by one, I will be posting on various videos on other modules. Okay, this is just for the SD, just to give you a glimpse of the note that we are sharing. And of course, this is my training channel, training institute, and the Telegram link. YouTube channel is Monit Kumar, where I will be keep on posting. And so I need your support to uh, carry on with this new videos for other modules as well. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can easily get notified with my upcoming videos. And definitely it will help me and boost me to keep on doing this work, and which can be definitely be useful somewhere in your SAP career, right? So please subscribe my channel, and those who have already done, thanks a lot for subscribing. And I will be coming up with other videos as well for you with other modules. Thank you so much. Bye bye.